Take this when you wake up and see what happens. It is an incredible and very effective German remedy that was used for centuries to clear arteries and remove bad cholesterol. But this remedy has many more attributions, because at the same time it serves to treat atherosclerosis, infections and chronic fatigue. It will keep you in an optimal state of health, because it increases your defenses so your body will be prepared to fight diseases better. Beyond all these benefits, this natural medicine is easy to prepare as well as economical. Follow the instructions below to prepare a drink that will solve many of your problems and does not contain chemicals, something that is always positive for your body. Prepare it and drink it as soon as you wake up. The result is amazing. Now take note, you will want to have the recipe of this wonderful remedy at hand. Ingredients: 1. 4 whole unpeeled organic lemons. 2. 2 tablespoons grated ginger. 3. 4 heads of garlic. 4. 2 liters of water. How to prepare it? 1. You will start by washing the lemons well, as they will be used with the peel. Cut them into pieces and discard them. Proceed to cut and reserve garlic in the same way. Pour in the blender or processor the lemons, garlic and grated ginger. 2. In a pot put the water along with this liquefied for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Then strain the preparation and pour the obtained liquid into a glass bottle or jar with a lid that you will then store in the refrigerator. How to use it? 1. You should drink a glass of this shake fasting for 3 weeks. Rest a week and repeat the procedure. It is likely that the taste is not very pleasant. If you find it very strong to taste, you can incorporate a teaspoon of honey to soften it. 2. You will notice important changes in your energy and vitality. It will also work wonders regarding kidney stones and other